billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture. Today we are going to see about the Werner theory for the coordination compound. What does Werner says that? Initially the idea for the complex is put forth by Werner, and he has commented some of the basic postulate about the complex. In those time, this coordination chemistry was a very nice and a great idea given by the Werner. Werner theory says that every metal possesses two types of valency. One is said to be as a primary and other is said to be as a secondary. Primary valency is also said to be as an ionizable valency, and secondary valency is said to be as a non-ionizable valency. As we have seen in the previous lecture that when a complex was added into the water, only the counter ion was separated, but not the whatever atoms are present inside the square bracket was not ionized. So that is the secondary valency. Primary valency is a number of ionic bond. It is also said to be as an oxidation state, as we are saying the valency, that means oxidation state. The difference between valency and oxidation state is the sodium loses one electron. That means the valency of sodium is 1. If the chlorine is gaining one electron, the valency of chlorine is 1. Plus minus we say in the oxidation state. The oxidation state of sodium is plus 1 and the oxidation state of chlorine is minus 1. But in terms of valency, the valency of sodium is 1 and the valency of chlorine is 1. That means in valency we do not say as a positive and negative. In oxidation state we emphasizes on the positive and negative terms. So secondary valency satisfies the number of coordinate bond, means the number of group which is attached to the central metal atom, which is written in the square bracket. That is said to be as a coordination number. The number of group which is attached to a central metal atom which satisfies the secondary valency is said to be as a coordination number. Now let's see the example. So for example, chlorine, 3 chlorine combines with the cobalt forms COCl3. This cobalt chloride is a ionic compound, COCl3, and same time simultaneously cobalt forms a secondary valency with the ammonium. So the ionization is CONH3 6 times in bracket raised to plus 3 Cl minus. This Cl minus 3Cl minus is actually emphasizing the ionization of the salt, cobalt salt, that was satisfying primary valency. Now Werner says that every metal possesses two types of valency, secondary valency as well as primary valency, and every metal tends to satisfy both the type of valency, primary as well as secondary. Now if we react this complex with the silver chloride complex, if we react this complex with the silver nitrate, what will happen? Silver nitrate, the formula for silver nitrate will be AgNO3. So out from silver nitrate, Ag will be reacting with the chloride. So it was seen that AgCl was obtained. So 3 AgCl was obtained. That means 3 chlorine is liberated. That means the primary valency was 3. The total number of ions in the solution was 4. In the another case, Werner also says that if suppose one of the ammonia is absent, so the primary valency, that is chloride, can satisfy both the type of valency. Here in this, as we have seen all the reactions which is taking place with respect to silver nitrate, so it was observed that the primary valency of metals remains can vary, but the secondary valency always remains the same. This I have told you that every metal has tendency to satisfy both the types of valency, primary as well as secondary. This we know very well. We have studied in the school standard Ag plus Cl minus Fe2 plus SO4 2 minus. Secondary valency. Negative charge ion, that is Cl minus, negative molecule, that is ammonia, positive charge ion, that is NO plus. Now complex is added into a beaker containing water. What will happen? Cl minus will be given out. That is primary valency. The salt will be ionizing, but the coordination compound will be not getting ionized. It will be remain intact with the cobalt. The atom or a group of atom which satisfy the secondary valency is said to be as ligand. Which satisfy secondary valency is said to be as ligand. That means there are 6 ligands. The secondary valency of cobalt is 6. They are surrounded to the complex in a form of sphere. This first sphere is said to be as a inner sphere and the second sphere is said to be as a outer sphere. So inner sphere satisfies secondary valency, outer sphere satisfy primary valency. The inner sphere is also said to be as an coordination sphere. Outer sphere is said to be as an ionization sphere. Structure of coordination compound on the basis of Werner theory. Cobalt chloride with the 6 ligands. You can see how they are placed. This chlorine, in absence of one of the ammonia or 2 ammonia or 3 ammonia, this chlorine can satisfy the secondary valency also. You can see in this example. Here the chlorine is satisfying both the type of valency. Now 2 chlorine is satisfying both the type of valency. Here 3. So likewise all 3 was entered over here and ammonia was actually absent. So based on the ionizable, some complex compound exhibit has a various color because of the different ligands attached to the complex, different ligand attached to the metal. Now you can see yellow color was obtained when this type of complex, that means all 6 ligands was present as ammonia and 3 ion was outside the square bracket, is also said to be as an coordination in type, is also said to be as an counter ion. 4 ions, 3 of Cl and 1 of complex. Two chloride ion is given out and one of the complex is over here, so that is why there is a purple color given over here. 2 chloride ion and 1 complex is in all 3 ions. The green color complex is given because of the only 1 chloride ion. In all 2 ions are present. Now because of the change in the ligands, That is the different colors you can see over here as yellow, purple, green and violet. Secondary valency of the metal can be satisfied by negative ions, positive ions, neutral molecule, all of these. Answer the question, students. Correct answer. Which of the following is a green color complex? Just now we have seen. You can answer now. Answer B and D. That means that only one 4 ammonia and with Cl2 right now we have seen, and the D1, that is nickel salt, as you have not seen, so you cannot answer the question. Important terms used in the coordination compound we will see next time. Thank you.